One of the most important things going forward for farmers in these low-lying areas and probably across Australia was that they'll have to be able to adapt to a changing climate, which is very variable, and farmers just have to be flexible. The main innovative practices we've developed here are we actually plant above the ground. We laser level the farm to get the water to run off. We have increased the capacity of our pumps from 4 megalitres per hour to 10. I've increased the soil organic carbon by 2%, and for the drier periods we retain the residue on the farm to hold the moisture, so they've cut the evaporation of the water. I think our biggest problem is sea level rise. Apart from that, we're going to have longer dry periods and then these intense rainfalls. That's a pretty serious storm, that one. Certainly heavy rain, isn't it? We plant on mounds. A lot of people do, but mine's actually planting at natural ground level and putting the dirt over the top of it. That gives me about another 100 millimetres to 200 millimetres of drainage. Gets the oxygen back in around the roots of the plant very quickly. We've undertaken earthworks here. The whole 100 hectares has been laser level to a low point to allow the water to, instead of ponding in the cane, it actually ponds in the low areas where we don't grow cane, which is the headlands, the interspaces, and then it all drains to one low point where the pumps are. It actually starts as soon as the rain starts. As soon as the water in the channel reaches minus 50 centimetres, the pump starts, and it shuts down as soon as the pump reaches minus 60 centimetres. So it's all automatic. That one's pumping about 400,000 litres an hour, and we put a tractor on the other one. It does about 1 million litres an hour. Over the last 20 years, since I started harvesting without burning, I've increased the soil organic carbon by 2%, which equates to about 14,000 tonnes of organics that have gone into the system. The role of good soil in sea level rise is there's a couple of different parts of the equation. One is that you use less fertiliser, and we retain the residue on the farm to hold the moisture, so they've cut the evaporation of the water. You can see here on the surface of it, the organic matter just goes into the soil, taken down by the microbes each year. And the earthworms come right up to the surface. Sure as hell beats buying it out of a bag. The future holds a lot of challenges. The longer we can continue to deal with the rising sea level, the bigger events, the drier periods, the more viable this industry will be in our district. So we can't afford not to do the things we do.